For general health, maintaining a healthy heart is crucial. By eating a balanced, healthy diet, you may boost heart health in one of the most powerful ways possible. The risk of cardiovascular diseases can be considerably decreased, and your entire cardiovascular system can be improved by include heart-healthy foods in your daily meals. This video will examine 10 foods that have been scientifically proven to be heart-healthy and that you ought to think about include in your diet. Because they are high in soluble fiber, oats aid in lowering cholesterol and preserving normal blood pressure. Oat beta-glucans have been associated with lowered risk factors for heart disease. Oatmeal with fruit on top is a heart-healthy breakfast option to start your day. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are among the fatty fish that are great suppliers of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s support better heart health by reducing inflammation, triglyceride levels, and cholesterol levels. A couple servings of fatty fish per week can improve cardiovascular health. Antioxidants and flavonoids are abundant in berries including blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. These substances help to lower oxidative stress and inflammation, two conditions linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Snack on some fresh berries, or include them into your yogurt or cereal. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are just a few of the nuts that are high in unsaturated fats, fiber, and minerals. Regular nut consumption has been connected to improved arterial function, decreased LDL cholesterol levels, and a lower risk of heart disease. However, because of their calorie density, portion sizes should be considered. Dietary nitrates, vitamins, and minerals abound in dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These substances aid in enhancing blood vessel health and lowering blood pressure. For a heart-healthy lunch, add these greens to salads, smoothies, or sautés. Essential elements including fiber, vitamins, and minerals are found in whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat. Consuming them has been associated with lowered risk of heart disease and stroke as well as increased insulin sensitivity. To boost heart health, swap refined grains for whole grains. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are just a few of the legumes that are high in protein, fiber, and complex carbs. These elements support improved blood sugar regulation, lower cholesterol levels, and general heart health. Monounsaturated fats, which are abundant in avocados and can help decrease LDL cholesterol and enhance heart health. Avocados also contain potassium, which promotes normal blood pressure. Enjoy avocado slices as a guacamole dip, in salads, or on toast. A key component of the Mediterranean diet, olive oil is well known for protecting the heart. Due to its strong antioxidant and monounsaturated fat content, inflammation is decreased and cholesterol levels are raised. Use olive oil in salad dressings and as your main cooking oil. Alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid that promotes heart health, may be found in abundance in flax seeds. They also include lignans, which are anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Add ground flax seeds to smoothies, yogurt, or porridge. Your cardiovascular health can be greatly enhanced and your risk of heart disease can be decreased by include a range of heart-healthy foods in your diet. Oats, fatty fish, berries, almonds, dark leafy greens, whole grains, legumes, avocado, olive oil, and flax seeds are just a few of the foods that offer a variety of vital elements that support heart health. You can actively work to maintain a healthy heart by making thoughtful decisions and adopting a balanced dietary strategy.